Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back again with another review video. So as you can see, today's review is about Lotus Matte Sunscreen. So the first sunscreen is Lotus Professional Phyto RX Sunblock Mist SPF 50. This sunscreen is for all types of skin. As you can see, this sunscreen is preservative free from artificial fragrance and color. It is also anti-tan, non-greasy, UVA and UVB protection, and it is also water and sweat proof. The price of the sunscreen is $6.45 for 100 ml. Yeah, the price of this sunscreen is a bit high, but you might get it on a discount if you purchase it from Nykaa. The organic ingredients in the sunscreen are vitamin E, which prevent water loss from the skin and helps retain natural moisture. Carrot, which is an antioxidant, protects the skin against the damaging effects of the UV rays. So now I will clean my face with a toner. It is a Good Vibes Rose Toner. I will also post a review video of this toner as I really like this toner. It is really very good and I think you should also try it. So now I will apply the sunscreen on my face. Actually, I forgot to wear moisturizer under my sunscreen, but it's really very important to wear a moisturizer under your sunscreen. So please wear moisturizer before applying sunscreen on your face. This sunscreen is a bit watery, but when you wear it on your skin, it really becomes dry, and it is really very matte. It not only protects your skin from the sun rays, it also whitens your skin. As you can see, my skin is not really oily. It dries up on my skin. And the next sunscreen is Lotus Herbal Safe Sun UV Sunscreen Matte Gel. It is a gel based sunscreen SPF 50 UVB. This sunscreen is for normal to oily skin types. It is an ultra soothing sunscreen which controls your oil and gives you a matte, fresh and clean look. The price of this sunscreen is $3.15 for 50 gram and $4.40 for 100 gram. I really have a combination skin type. Sometimes it's get too oily and sometimes it's get too dry. So whenever I apply sunscreen on my face, it gets oily. So I like matte kind of sunscreen, and I really like this gel sunscreen as it dries out. This sunscreen protects against all form of sun-induced damage, skin tan, sunburn and premature aging. This sunscreen contains extracts of horse chestnut, comfrey and vanilla. I will show you by applying it at the end of the video. So now let's move to the next sunscreen. The next sunscreen is Lotus Herbal Safe Sun Whitening Plus Long Last Sunblock Instant Whitening SPF 40. It is a tinted sunscreen and also non-sticky for all types of skin. Its price is $4.45 for 100 gram and $3.65 for 50 gram. This sunscreen is an innovative sunblock which gives long hours protection from UVA, UVB rays. It is enriched with vitamin E, carrot and herbal extracts like aloe vera. It gives an instant whitening glow for the entire day. If you use it on regular basis, it will cover all your dark spots, improves your skin tone and protects from the sun-induced damage. So again I will clean my face with toner, and again I forgot to apply moisturizer on my face, but you don't. So now I will apply the sunscreen on my face. As you can see, the sunscreen already seems matte. It completely dries on my face and brightens my face. And it's also very lightweight. You don't feel like putting anything on your face, and you can just wear it on your face and go outside. It's really good. I will really recommend this sunscreen for everyone. So for the next sunscreen, I will just apply it on my hand. As you can see, it is a gel based sunscreen and it also dries on the skin, leaving a smooth texture. It is also lightweight sunscreen. The three sunscreens which I showed today are my favorite sunscreen. I would highly recommend you all to use it. I really love the sunscreen as it's non-oily. It completely dries on my skin and lightweight, and it leaves a smooth texture. So this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. So thank you so much for watching it. See you till then. Bye.